There's no doubting what you've achieved on a technical level. These are clearly state-of-the-art. There are just certain design choices that were made for these robots that we don't fully understand. We were hoping that you could shed some light on those.
She can dance. She can sing. She's equipped with a built-in helium tank for inflating balloons right at her fingertips. She can take song requests. She can even dispense ice cream.
With all due respect, those aren't the design choices we were curious about, Mr. Afton.
Shock horror! I'm moving right into Sister Location. I enjoyed the last game so much, Five Nights at Freddy's 4, that I couldn't help. I really want to carry on playing. Custom night? Oh, you can't unlock that yet, so it's new game or continue. It's basically the same thing, isn't it? A lot more music in this one.
Daddy, why won't you let me play with her?
Or at least answer the girl. Oh.
Welcome to the first day of your exciting new career. Whether you were approached at a job fair, read our ad and screws, bolts, and hairpins, or if this is the result of a dare, we welcome you. I will be your personal guide to help you get started. I'm a Model 5 of the Handyman's Robotics and Unit Repair System, but you can call me Hand Unit. Your new career promises challenge, intrigue, and endless janitorial opportunities. Please enter your name as seen above the keypad. This cannot be changed later, so please be careful.
You.
It seems that you had some trouble with the keypad. I see what you were trying to type, and I will auto-correct it for you. One moment. Welcome, Eggs Benedict.
This game, I remember when this one came out, and I wasn't sure if it was actually just a continuation of Five Nights at Freddy's the main part, or whether it just took a completely different turn. It sort of did both. So it's definitely all part of the Five Nights at Freddy's thing going on, but I mean, just from the fact that you got this robot voice talking to you, it's a whole new feature. It's the first time you got, I think, apart from the phone guy, the first time you had proper voice lines talking to you.
You can now open the elevator using that bright, red, and obvious button.
Right.
Let's get to work.
Okay, let's do it. Oh.
Allow me to fill this somewhat frightening silence with some light-hearted banter. Due to the massive success, and even more so the unfortunate closing of Freddy Fazbear's Pizza, it was clear that the stage was set, no pun intended, for another contender in children's entertainment. Unlike most entertainment venues, our robotic entertainers are rented out for private parties during the day, and it's your job to get the robots back in proper working order before the following morning. You are now in the primary control module. It's actually a crawl space between the two front showrooms. Now, let's get started with your daily tasks. View the window to your left. This is the Ballora Gallery party room and dance studio, encouraging kids to get fit and enjoy pizza. Let's turn on the light and see if Ballora is on stage.
Okay.
Press the blue button on the elevated keypad to your left. Uh-oh. It looks like Ballora doesn't feel like dancing. Let's give her some motivation. Press the red button now to administer a controlled shock. Maybe that will put the spring back in her step.
Maybe. What the hell was that?
Let's check
I think it was a reflection of these things here. Oh, it's gonna shock her again. There she is.
Excellent. Ballora is feeling like her old self again and will be ready to perform again tomorrow. Now view the window to your right. This is the Funtime Auditorium, where Funtime Foxy encourages kids to play and share.
Funtime Foxy.
Try the light. Let's see what Funtime Foxy is up to. Looks like Funtime Foxy is taking the day off. Let's motivate Funtime Foxy with a controlled shock.
Oh no, there was a robot there. What was that? Unless it was a reflection of this thing. I don't know, there's something there.
Let's try another controlled shock.
Wait, look at the window while I shock. Is it a reflection of this thing here? Hold on. Yeah, it is. I thought it was something else. Ah, there you are.
Looks like Funtime Foxy is in perfect working order. Great job. In front of you is another vent shaft. Crawl through it to reach the Circus Gallery control module.
I want to click some things here first. There's a lot of interactive stuff here. So this clown nose up here. Don't know what that is. This thing does that. Buttons. That one. Weird radio noises. Now, I am reading the Five Nights at Freddy's books at the moment. I'm on the third book, which is called The Fourth Closet. And a lot of the stuff that happens in the previous book with Charlie has little faces, and I always picture them like these things. And I've only just started the third book, so I think that's where this game gets linked in. So it'll be interesting for me to play this while I'm reading that book. Anyway, let's go through the crawl space. Run. Nothing attacks you here, I'm pretty sure.
Motion trigger. Circus gallery vent.
It is a hell of a tease, though, to make you do that.
On the other side of the
Give you a
glass
run
is
punch.
Circus Baby's auditorium. Let's check the light and see what Baby is up to.
What sort of... Does that one squeak? No, they don't squeak. They don't squeak. Bugger. Oh.
Looks like a few of the lights are out, but we can fix that later. Let's encourage Baby to cheer up with a controlled shock.
Does that not do anything?
Let's try another
Controlled shot. I seem to recall that I don't think Circus Baby ever appears in this game, which was a bit of false advertising. Because she's all over
Let's try
the game.
another controlled shock.
But I don't, maybe I'm wrong. Oh. Do dicks and bebops. Yeah, I don't think you ever actually see her. Oh, I love all the little noises. Controlled shock. I might be wrong.
Great job, Circus Baby. We knew we could count on you.
Yeah, because we
That
don't see her
concludes your
there.
duties for your first night on the job. We don't want you to leave overwhelmed. Otherwise, you might not come back.
Oh, I've been so
Please leave
overworked.
using the vent behind you, and we'll see you again tomorrow.
I've never been so overworked. Go back. I've earned my pay today. Is that me? Oh! Why is that noise? Like, it's clearly not me. What if I move forward? I didn't do anything. I didn't press anything. I nearly pressed. Do I die if I stay here? Why is that noise? I'm going to move forward a little bit. Do I think it does anything? If I stop here. I can't look behind me. What's the point? It's a tease, isn't it? It's a tease that makes you think that something's going to come and get you. Ah, it's nothing's happening.
Motion trigger. Circus gallery vent.
What if I do nothing now? It's so weird. I'm getting out of here. I honestly don't think anything happens there. Yeah! Yeah, this is definitely the game where he started to add a lot of humour. I mean, there's already a fair bit of humour.
Another day,
games.
another
I mean,
dramatic
this as well.
entry in
This
the
bit
lives
here.
of Vlad and his distressed mistress. Where will they go? What will they do? All of that and more happening now.
Clara, I tell you, the baby isn't mine. Count, I tell you that it is. You're the only vampire I've ever loved.
Oh.
And the baby turns his bottles into powdered
Exciting.
milk.
That doesn't mean anything.
Ah.
He sleeps on the ceiling fan.
What are you
Upright
talking
or
about?
upside down.
What does it matter? You need to be part of your son's life.
I'm an old
Boring.
man, Clara. I can't be a father.
Well, then at least pay your child support, you deadbeat.
Eat.
Will Vlad and his distressed mistress find common ground? Tune in next time.
See, I think it's all supposed to be relevant to the overall plot, but at the same time, it's also
Daddy, you let the other children go see her. Why won't you let me go?
tinged with a lot of silliness, which adds a lot of humor.
Welcome back for another night of intellectual stimulation, pivotal career choices, and self-reflection on past mistakes. We're committed to creating a unique and fulfilling work experience. One part of that commitment is ensuring that you don't get tired of the voice that you're hearing right now.
Oh.
Using the keypad below, please select a new companion voice. For me, it seems that you had some trouble with the keypad. I see what you were trying to type, and I will auto-correct it for you. Thank you for choosing Angsty Teen.
Okay. Yeah, it really took a bit of a turn, the series, at this point. Oh. Hell. But it maintains a lot of the usual Five Nights at Freddy's stuff that makes it so good. Just the point and click aspect of it. Can I go now? Am I nearly there? Oh, here we go. Night 2.
The elevator stopped. You know the routine. You can get out now or whatever. Stay here if you want.
I'll go, thank you.
So, funny story. A dead body was found in this vent once. Okay, so not that funny, but it's a story.
Great. Let's run. Why'd you have to crawl through a vent to get from one bit to the other?
Let's start with your nightly chores. You should check on Ballora and make sure she's on her stage, but whatever.
Whatever. Oh, she's right by the
I guess Ballora has better things to do. Let's zap her. That
Right.
should be fun.
Okay, I'll do that. Ah. I think I accidentally zapped the H2n. Speak up.
Let's check on Funtime Foxy.
What?
Make sure he's ready for showtime tomorrow.
Can I not see? Oh no. You're there as well.
Great. Great. Great.
There seems to have been a problem with the voice synthesizer. Default settings have been
Really?
restored. Please proceed through the vent ahead of you to Circus Baby's auditorium.
Can I have the Morgan Freeman voice? That'd be excellent. Hold on. I think I've done everything I can here. There's little doors at the side. You can go through them eventually. Oh, back here now.
Motion trigger. Circus gallery vent.
What if I stay here now? You're giving all sorts of banging yesterday. Nothing today.
Circus Baby had a busy day today.
Ooh.
Let's check the light and make sure she's in proper working order.
Alright, I'll do that. God, that was hard work. That's at least 50
Oh,
quid.
Circus Baby, we aren't here to play hide and seek.
No.
Let's encourage Baby to come out of hiding with a controlled shock. Let's try another controlled shock.
There's a new noise. It's like, oh, whoa, coming from our left. I don't remember that from last time.
There seems to be a power malfunction that is affecting our ability to properly motivate baby. Please stand by while I reboot the system. I will be offline momentarily during this process. Various other systems may be offline as well, such as security doors, vent locks, and oxygen. Commencing system restart.
Yeah, we don't need that. Okay, I can survive that.
Motion trigger. Entryway vent. Funtime Auditorium maintenance vent opened. Ballora Gallery maintenance vent opened.
I thought the power had gone. While I'm being talked to.
I don't recognize you. You are new. I remember this scenario, however. It's a strange thing to want to do, to come here. I'm curious what events would lead a person to want to spend their nights in a place like this. Willingly.
Money!
Maybe
I like
curiosity.
money!
Maybe ignorance. There is a space under the desk. Someone before you crafted it into a hiding place, and it worked for him.
There.
I recommend that you hurry, though. You will be safe there. Just try not to make eye contact.
Is that her there?
It will be over
No, that's
soon.
the reflection of the little
They
thing.
will lose interest.
Oh. Under the desk. Under the desk. There'll be no Freddy Fazbear. Just burgers and pizzas under the desk. Where? Oh! Poke you in the eye. Poke. Oh. You're going to start pulling on this, aren't you? Oh, there you are again. Hello. I'm not looking. No. Stop it. Who are you? Knock. Oh. I can't do the hold. Don't do that again. That told them. Oh! I don't want to be jump scared. Be gone, demon. No! Oh! I did it. Oh, who's she?
When your guide comes back online, he is going to tell you that he was unsuccessful, that you must restart the system manually. He will then tell you to crawl through Ballora Gallery as fast as you can to reach the breaker room. If you follow his instructions, you will die. Ballora will not return to her stage anymore. She will catch you. The power will be restored shortly. When you crawl through Ballora Gallery, go slowly. She cannot see you and can only listen for your movement. When you hear her music become louder, she is growing near. listening for you. Wait, and be still.
Thank you for your patience. It seems that the power system cannot be restarted automatically. You will need to restart the power system manually. Please return to the primary control module.
Oh, fine. How do I get out of here? Oh, S, go back. Alright. Oh. You're gonna start banging at me again? No. No. That's me. So, the power... There was two female voices
Motion
talking...
trigger. Circus gallery vent.
Two female voices talking to me. Hearing weird noises. Right, yes. I'm hearing something. No. It must only be the breeze. Fluttering the leaves of the trees.
You will now be required to crawl through the Ballora gallery using the vent to your left
to
reach the breaker room. It is recommended that you stay low to the ground and reach the other side as fast as possible as to not disturb Ballora. I will deactivate myself momentarily as to not create an auditory disturbance. Deactivating.
So there are three different voices talking to me. Three. Trying to convince me of stuff. I don't know who's who, and I don't know who's why. Or who's how, and when, and whence. And wherein. Let's go through here.
Ballora gallery maintenance vent opened.
Or... Quiet, everyone. Shh. That's it, door. See the door. There. Easy peasy. Can you not see the door? There. On my dusty screen that needs a clean.
It seems you are taking a long time. Please proceed as quickly and as quietly as possible.
Ah! There she is. Hello. Ah, there. Ah. There's the door. We go for it. I'm there. Let me in. There. Did it.
Motion trigger breaker room.
You may now interface with the breaker control box. Using the interface may disrupt nearby electronics. If you feel you are in danger, feel free to disconnect the interface temporarily until it is safe to reconnect.
Calm down,
Right. Don't like it. Hi, is there?
Everything is okay.
Oh. No! Oh! Where is he? Why is there? Why is he there? No!
Calm down. I think it was just a mouse.
Where is he? He's back there, back there. Go, go, go. He's moving.
Nope, no one is here. It's bedtime. Let's go back.
No. No.
You must be hearing things, silly.
He's back there. Back there, back there.
I see you over there in the dark. Come on out.
Calm down and go back to sleep.
No.
one is here. Go back to your stage.
Go, 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 go.
Okay.
4 more.
I know you're over there somewhere.
Everything is okay.
Woo!
Let's go back to sleep.
Just back her off.
Oh, calm down. I think it was just a mouse.
How am I playing this audio? What is this audio? He's back. Hello again. Where is he? Where is he? I can't see him.
We should go give him a surprise.
It's bedtime. Let's go back to our You must be hearing things.
I don't. How do I know when he's too close? 2 more.
Calm down and go back to sleep. No one is here.
Bye.
Go back to your
Bye.
stage. Everything is okay.
Come on. There.
Great job. This completes your tasks for the night. Please proceed back through the Ballora gallery with care, and we'll see you back here tomorrow.
Thank God I'm out of there. Oh, not this again. Seriously? There's the door. Where is she? I can't hear her.
Is someone there?
No. Not at all. No.
I can hear someone creeping through my room.
Probably just Jimmy Savile. She's not walking around.
Perhaps not.
Yeah. That's the correct answer. What you just said. Oh, I did it. Woo! Ah! Diddle ding dong, doo doo ba diddle diddle doo. Just in time at home. Do I get to watch another episode of this?
As the sun sets, so also does another chapter in the saga of love lost between Vlad and his distressed mistress. Can they be reconciled? Can their love rise again? That and more happening now.
Oh!
Clara, the baby isn't mine.
It is, Vlad. They had trouble catching him in the nursery today.
So what? Lots of kids get hyper and run around and stuff.
They had to knock him out of the air with a broom.
Well, those pictures on the
I have
wall.
to go.
They're going to dock your paychecks.
They can't do that. I'm a vampire. I don't need
I am a
paycheck.
vampire.
You work the graveyard shift at the Fry Me Taco. Don't lie to me.
Oh, the humanity. When will the heartbreak end? When will these two ships passing in the night rekindle their long-lost love?
Once I finish this box of
Tune in
popcorn, which is
tomorrow
apparently
to
infinite.
find out.
I ate so much popcorn, it was amazing.
Daddy just once let me go play with her. She's so pretty and shiny.
Exactly.
Didn't you make her just for me?
Exactly. Oh, back again.
Welcome back to another pivotal night of your thriving new career, where you get to really ask yourself, what am I doing with my life? What would my friends say? And most importantly, will I ever see my family again? We understand the stresses of a new job, and we're here for you. To help you reach a more stable and relaxing frame of mind, we offer several musical selections to help make this elevator ride as relaxing and therapeutic as possible. We offer contemporary jazz, classical, rainforest ambiance, as well as a wide selection of other choices. Using the keypad below, please type the first few letters of the musical selection you would prefer.
That one.
It seems you had some trouble with the keypad. I see what you were trying to type, and I will auto-correct it for you. Thank you for selecting Casual Bongos. Now that your elevator experience has been customized to your needs and you're thoroughly relaxed, it's worth mentioning that due to your lackluster performance yesterday, your pay has been decreased by a substantial amount.
Why?
Please enjoy the rest of your descent.
No! I refuse. I'm going to not enjoy it. In fact, I'm going to be really peeved. And perturbed. These casual bongos make it very difficult. Right then. Can I go now? Oh, there we go. These bongos are so casual.
Due to unforeseen malfunctions from today's shows, your nightly duties will require you to perform maintenance that you may or may not be skilled enough to perform. It became necessary for technicians to attempt to disconnect Funtime Freddy's power module. However, they were unsuccessful. Allowing them to try again would be an inefficient path forward, as we would need to allow 6 to 8 weeks for recovery and physical therapy. You will need to reach the parts and service room on the other side of Funtime Auditorium to perform the procedure yourself.
Right.
Let's check on Ballora first and make sure she's on her stage.
Okay, I can do that. Sorry, I just wanted to listen while I was in the vent. Oh. Okay.
Great. It looks like everything is as it should be in Ballora Gallery. Let's check on Funtime Foxy. It's important to make sure she's on her stage before entering.
So the little ballerinas have ripped Ballora apart. Funtime Foxy isn't there.
Great. It looks like everything is as it should be in Funtime Auditorium.
Why?
There is no need to check on Baby tonight. Please refrain from entering unauthorized areas. Proceed directly to Funtime Auditorium.
Things are... Wait. What happens if I go in there? You told me not to go there, but you've opened it for me. What happens if I go in there? It's been a zero deaths playthrough so far, and I want to keep it that way, but my god, I'm curious. I'm so curious. Curiosity killed the cat.
Motion trigger. Circus gallery vent.
Well, I can go back. What happens if I go back in here? Under the desk. Under the desk. Is there any point in this? Am I just wasting...
Did you know that I was on stage once? It wasn't for very long. Only one day. What a wonderful day, though. I was in a small room with balloons and a few tables.
Oh.
No one sat at the tables, though, but children would run in and out. Some were afraid of me. Others enjoyed my songs. Music was always coming from somewhere else, down a hall. I would always count the children. I'm not sure why.
All right, Jimmy.
I was always acutely aware of how many there were in the room with me.
All right, Jimmy.
2, then 3, then 2, then 3, then 4, then 2, then none. They usually played together in groups of 2 or 3. I was covered in glitter. I smelled like birthday cake. There were 2, then 3, then 5, then 4. I can do something special. Did you know that? I can make ice cream. Although I only did it once. There were 4, then 3, then 2, then 1. Something happened when there was 1. A little girl, standing by herself. I was no longer myself, and I stopped singing. My stomach opened, and there was ice cream. I couldn't move, at least, not until she stepped closer. There was screaming for a moment, but only for a moment.
Well, at least it was quick.
Then other children rushed in again, but they couldn't hear her over the sounds of their own excitement. I still hear her sometimes.
Wait.
Why did that happen?
So she's still alive? Where is she? What have you done? Oh, I can go back now. So I just came to listen to a lovely story. So I don't die from going in here. Excellent!
Motion trigger. Circus gallery vent.
Best of both worlds. Still a 0 death playthrough. Excellent. It's closed now. I have to go through... What happens when I go through here?
FNAF auditorium maintenance vent opened.
Unlike Ballora, Funtime Foxy is motion activated. For this reason, it's important to keep the room dark, as to not accidentally activate her. You have been provided with a flash beacon. Use it if you need to get your bearings and to ensure you don't bump into anything. However, use it as sparingly as possible. Proceed forward to reach the parts and service room.
This is freaky. Oh. What's going on? Owie wowie. I was going on a bit of a hope and a prayer throughout that. Oh my god. One more go.
Freddy Auditorium maintenance vent opened.
Unlike Ballora, Funtime Foxy is motion activated. For this reason, it's important to keep the room dark, as to not accidentally activate her. You have been provided with a flash beacon. Use it if you need to get your bearings and to ensure you don't bump into anything. However, use it as sparingly as possible. Proceed forward to reach the parts and service room.
Wait, I did it! I did it! I did it! Oh.
Motion trigger, parts and service.
Great job reaching parts and service. It seems that Funtime Freddy is out of power, which should make your job much easier. The release switch for the chest cavity is located on the underside of the endoskeleton jaw. To reach it, we will first need to open the face plates. You will need to press the faceplate release triggers in a specific order, and it's important to be as precise and as careful as possible. Locate the small button on Freddy's face, just under his right cheek, and press it.
His right... Wait. So his... Because there's two. His right. So my left.
Great. Now locate the button under his left cheek and press it.
So it's from his... Right, okay, so it's his left now.
Great. Now carefully locate and press the button next to Freddy's right eye.
There.
Great. Now carefully locate and press the button just above Freddy's nose. Good job. The faceplates should now be open. Locate and press the small button on the underside of Freddy's endoskeleton jaw.
What, this one? What is
Excellent.
the inside of
The chest
this thing?
cavity should now be open. Remove the power module from the chest cavity.
How do I do that? Oh, this is from the books.
Great work. You will now be required to remove the secondary power module from the Bonnie hand puppet. Press the large black button beneath Bonnie's bow tie to release the power module.
Where is he? Where? Oh. What do I press bow tie? How do I... Do I have to like be really quick? I have to be really quick. There it was. There it was. Where is he?
Press the large black button beneath Bonnie's bow tie to release the power module.
Yeah, but I don't know where he is. How do I find him? Where is he?
Press the large black button beneath Bonnie's bow tie to release the power module.
Yeah, but do I have to, like, if I hold it here? What happens then? What am I waiting for? What do I do? What? Right, I'm going to continue this next time. It's an interesting game. It's not as good as Five Nights at Freddy's 4. What do I do there? I don't know what I do there, but I'll figure out for next time. So thank you very much for watching, and I shall see you for the next episode. Try to cheery. Oh, see you later.